So let me explain this thing for you.
Okay.
So everything's in a high C position. So here's middle C, right under the words in your piano. We're going to high C. The left hand's on middle C in this one. And I'll show you the beginning of this nice and slow. The right hand's not too bad. But the left hand is doing intervals. So remember fifths, seconds, fourth, third, seconds. So left hand's hitting more than one note at a time. So when you put them together, fifths, seconds, fourth, third, seconds. And then the second half of the page is the same thing, just soft. So if you get the first half of the first page, you're golden. Let me show you a little of the second page. You don't move. Your thumb just moves over one note to B. It doesn't move crazy places. You're just on C, now you go to B. So it's something like this. So sometimes your thumb's on B, sometimes it's on C. So the first time it's on B, second time it's on C, yeah? And then it does this thing. You're gonna love it. Then it goes back to the beginning, and then at the end of the first page it jumps to the coda. So we do this thing, which is pretty simple. And then the big grand finale.
The other two big finales.
Yeah, so many finales. Alright, hit it, we're good. Alright, I'll put it on.